Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm running. It's over. After 303 days of survival, my Minecraft hardcore series has come to an end. This series has lasted 19 episodes and 9 live streams. I've been playing in this world since October 25th of 2025, more than 6 months. Let's take a look back on some of the best moments that we've had in this world, starting with episode 1. Let's create a new world. I'm going to name this world Hard World. Here we are. We spawned in a jungle. This is my very first pickaxe in this world. So I'm going to save this pickaxe. I'm going to stop using it. I like this beach. I like being next to the ocean. I'm going to build a little house right here. And there we go. Diamonds! I found some diamonds. Our first diamonds. Whoa. What's this? I'm swimming up. There we go. Now the compass is pointing towards the lodestone. Let's take my first pickaxe and let's give it to the armor stand. Here it is. An enchanting table. Let's complete our nether portal using our flint and steel. There we go. The nether portal is finished. Here we are. Walk. Oh! Run! I see it. There it is. I'm gonna get my pickaxe. Let's pick it up. I got it! And I'll pour the water right here. Now, I'll take the dried ghast and I'll place it in the water. Oh, there we go! Now the ghast has grown. So we need 4 different areas. I'll place some fences here. Now we've got cows, sheep, chickens, and pigs. And let's turn around. Ta-da! Okay, cool. Oh, there we go. We tamed the parrot. I'm gonna eat my cereal while people join the live stream. I think these 2 are ready. 1. Oh no! I want to see what this does. It turned my dog upside down. Watch this. Ha! Now this sheep changes colors. It's a rainbow sheep. There we go. Level 163. My XP farm is working. Cool. Here we go. Let's put the diamond sword in the enchanting table and some lapis. And let's get this level 30 enchantment. Let's put on the diamond helmet. There we go. And now I have a full set of enchanted diamond armor. Oh! Is that a frog? I'm going to turn around and let's look at it. 200! April 27th, 2026. First pickaxe. There we go. Now I've named this my first pickaxe, and I'll put it in the picture frame. Now I've framed my first pickaxe. Power! Yeah! It's working. Today, I'm eating a banana. I've got the flags. Let's add them to the supporter wall. I'll start with China. All right. We've got 6 flags on the supporter wall. Look, dripstones. I'm going to pick up some of these dripstones. There we go, explosions. This is my new lava generator. A fortress! I found another fortress. Oh, I found a new area. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm running. No, 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 no. Well, I died. No. No. So, that's it. It's over. And to conclude this series, I wanted to give you one last tour of Hard World. Play. Let's load Hard World for the last time. Loading. Loading. Here we are. Hard World. It all started right here, down the stairs. This is where I survived my very first night. Over here is my house. I never finished the house. My house still doesn't have a roof. Let's go inside my house. Here I have my enchanting table. Let's say goodbye to Dinnerbone, the upside down dog. Here are my chest rooms. Over here, of course, is my very first pickaxe. There's my bedroom, my red bed. This is my crafting room. Oh, look! There's still something in this furnace, smelting. Let's say goodbye to Jeb, the rainbow sheep. Goodbye to my farm and all of my animals. My happy guest! Let's say goodbye to Dementor. Over here is a 200 statue that I made to celebrate day 200 in this world. And there's a dog that's stuck up here. I was able to collect mangrove trees, birch trees, dark oak trees, azalea trees, and over here I had just planted a pale oak tree. Here's my cactus. It took me a long time to find this cactus. My lodestone. Over here is my bridge. This bridge connects the different farms that I built. Here there's a potato farm. Over here there's a carrot farm. And this is a lava generator that I built. Over here is a giant hole that I was digging. I wanted to dig this hole all the way to the bottom of the world, the bedrock. And finally, over here is my supporter wall. Thank you so much to everybody that has made a donation to support this series. Big thank you to everybody on the supporter wall. If you enjoyed this series, and if you would like to help support this channel, as always, you could make a donation over on my Ko-Fi page. Thank you so much to all of you who have watched this series to the end. I had a lot of fun making this series, and who knows, maybe one day in the future, I'll try again. Tell me in the comments below what the best moment of this series was for you. And as always, I will see you in the next video. See you later.